Whenever I came to SWOSU, I knew I wanted to be an engineer, but I had no idea what kind.
I wanted to join some clubs, but I didn't think I'd be on some winning Rocketry team or anything, no.
Through Rocket Dawgs, I was able to just kind of find my little corner in what I like and what I enjoy.
I had built model rockets before, and you throw them together, stick a parachute in, and you launch it. With this one, you're building it from scratch.
It's not model rockets now, it's big rockets.
I actually got to do a lot in the club, not just sit back and watch. I felt really involved. I built my first rocket ever.
Preparing for this year's Argonia Cup, we bought a lot of kits. We started out with cardboard.
You had to launch a 2-stage rocket, and it had to go into above 9,000 feet.
Whenever you show up, there's universities like OSU and Auburn and people like that, and they have 30 people on their team. In the end, our rocket flies just the same, if not actually better.
And when we launched, seeing the rocket go up and then that kind of heart stop, waiting to see if the second stage lights, and then it happens and then everyone's just freaking out like, we did it, it happened.
We won again. This is our 2-time champions. It's a great feeling.
When they finally presented and told us that we were back-to-back Argonia champions was very exciting.
I think it means that we're just as good as the other schools.
SWOSU does a really good job of treating its students very special. That helps a lot.
My classes are a lot of hands-on classes.
The welcoming feeling I get from all my professors in the engineering physics department is just awesome.
It gives a very homey feel. I feel very welcome here.
Your professors know you, you know them. You can sit down and have a conversation with them about life if you wanted to.
Dr. Trell was always very helpful in answering any questions I needed.
I wish they could see them through my eyes. I look at them and I think they're amazing. I mean, they kind of do all of this work on their own. I sit in there and talk to them about it and stuff, but these are all their decisions and their hard work and their failures and their successes.
Like, you can do stuff on your own all day. You can build your CERT rocket by yourself. Working as a team in a team setting is a lot better than working by yourself.
I've always, since I was a kid, been interested in NASA. I feel like this is a stepping stone in that path because I'm learning the basics of rocketry and aerodynamics and actually getting firsthand experience with building a rocket.
I think SWOSU is just a great school for students to experience these wonderful learning opportunities.